This crack runs deeper than it looks. We'll need a full...
Watch your left side, keep it steady. Easy now, bring her up another 2 feet. Okay, easy now, bring it up 5 feet. Check the pressure on this primary line, it's reading low.
Check the torque on the main housing bolts.
Reading 200 foot-pounds on this one, still within limits. All right, the first step is the structural inspection of the turbine mount. The corrosion here is significant.
Roger that. Checking the torque specifications now.
We're still getting too much resistance on this bolt.
Check the hydraulic line next to it.
We need to check the torque on these hydraulics before we move the main rotor assembly.
Torque set to 500 foot-pounds.
Confirmed. Moving to the next panel.
Keep that riveting steady on the lower frame. Torquing this final bolt now, making sure the hydraulics are secure.
Make sure the torque settings are precise on those lines.
Roger that. Reading 75 foot-pounds.
We're ready for the next panel over here.
We need to ensure the hydraulic lines match this configuration exactly.
Copy that. Let's double check the torque specs here. Torque set to 300 foot-pounds.
Looks good. The bearing shaft is seated correctly.
According to the tablet, this line needs adjustment before we seal it up.
All right, I'll apply the torque now. Check the gauge when it clicks.
The core rebuild is the most critical phase. Here, the team uses a calibrated torque wrench to secure the hydraulic lines.
Ensuring the hydraulic lines are secured to spec is critical. We use a digital torque wrench for precise calibration during the final assembly stage. Ensure the torque is exactly to spec on the hydraulic lines, and we can't afford any leaks on the turbine core. Torque is good on the lower mounts. Okay, move to the hydraulic coupling next. We need to ensure that seal is tight. Check the alignment on the high pressure side. 75 foot-pounds, it's secure.
The core turbine rebuild requires absolute precision, ensuring every hydraulic line and gear shaft meets the exact specifications.
Torque set to 985. Confirmed. Check the hydraulics next drive.
The reinforced fuselage required meticulous surface preparation before the final coat of aviation paint could be applied.
The avionics reassembly is nearly complete, but the main rotor requires precise torque calibration before final testing.
Pressure is holding steady across all lines.
Confirmed. Logging the reading now.
Fuel flow looks nominal on gauge 3.
Okay, let's pressurize the auxiliary tank next.
Pressure is steady. Go ahead with the torque sequence on the tail rotor couplings.
Copy that.
Ignition sequence started, clear the area. Rotor engaging, increasing RPM. All clear, main cabin secure.